guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we are going to hid toys inside this big kinetic sand. It's really gloopy. It's kinetic because it's falling down. And also there's some molds. There's like a little crab mold, I think. A starfish mold. And a hess mold, so you can see, you put the stuff in there. So, and here we're gonna be hiding toys. So I'm not gonna show you what you're gonna hide. So, we're gonna say the toys. So, you can't watch. You're gonna look over there, okay, guys? You can't watch. Okay? No peeking, okay, guys? I'm gonna hit some toys. Okay, I'm almost done. We did. Couldn't be your toys. Sorry guys, there's just a song stuck in my head called I Wanna Be a Toys R Us Kid. It just stuck in my head. I don't know why. Okay, whoa, okay. Oh, sorry, what did I do? Did I do accidentally zoom? So I see two surprises over here. Oh, is it still big? Wait. So there's like, I think there's something over here. I think there's something over here. Let's see if we can find a toy. Wait. Let's put you over here again. Oopsie. Like that. Don't fall down. Okay. Let's see if there's something over here. Nope. Just sand. What's in here? Oh, look what I found. I found this puppy. There's something over here, actually. Oh. Whoa. These shoes. Look at the Dodo Seawall shoes. See? Little heart shoes. Wait a second. Do you see them? Look at them. They're so cute. Next thing died. Oh, is that all of it? Yeah, that's all of it. Whoa. So sandy. I put some on my nose. Wait. Ah! It went in my mouth. Oh god. I ate it. I ate sand. Oh my god. Ew. What is this? Ew. Oh my god. Yum. Okay, it's not really yum. Oh, that tastes like crispy chicken. That's disgusting. Okay, here we go again. Then I had another toy. No picking, okay? No picking. Oh my god, this sand is really wet because I spit in it. Okay, I can't really use spit hands. I mean, sand, I mean, ew. So disgusting. What is this? A disgusting thing. Okay, I think we're ready. This time I'm gonna hold you. Okay, let's see. Anything over here. Just a little bit of sand. Keep an eye if you see something, guys. Ooh, I see something. What is that? It's hissy! Wow! Is that really hissy? Wow! Let's do hissy's print. Can hissy do that? How about we zoom back? She's so beautiful. Boop. Boop. First mark. Face. Okay, that's. Oh, don't look at the toys. Don't look at the toys. Can't see the toys. I kind of saw a little bit. It's okay. Let's go on to the next toy. There's something over here. Oh, look what we found! It was like a little Minnie Mouse. Aww. That's cute. Want to see her outrages? Look at that. She's so cute. Woo! Let's put some hair on. Let's put some sand on her. And by the way, this is not real sand, just green sand. I know it's in her eye. Wait, let's take it out. Oh, look, it's just a bow. What in the heck am I doing? Ooh, she's so sandy. Get her out. Oh, you see one. Okay, let's see. See if we can find one more. Okay, let's see. Okay. No more. That's super duper cool. So it's a sandbox. Anyway. Get a next toy, so no peeking. Wait, guys, I'm almost done. Well, this is a little harder, guys. And it's a little too hard. Wait, I'm almost done. Wait, I'm almost done. Almost done. Okay. Okay, I think he put one surprise, but I don't know. Let's see. Oh, I don't feel anything. There's something over here. Just gonna dig up the sand. Keep an eye if you see something. I'm gonna zoom in so if you see something. Plain sand, or maybe kinetic plain sand. Let me zoom out. Wait. There's something over there. What is this? It's my brother's. What in the heck? How did this get here? Wait, is that the address? Does it say the address? I think it does. Oh, it actually doesn't. He has a card. Wait, did I zoom out? Or did I zoom in? 12th grade. Okay, I don't know how he gets so fast in there. Okay, it's Burbank High School. But anyways, you know what? We don't need that way. Let me put that back. Okay, I just wanted to make enough for that. So, yeah. Let me put this back. Oh my gosh. Where did that come from? Like, it just literally just popped out. I'm gonna put it in here. Okay, that's it. Okay, we're gonna hide something else. This time it might be an extra prize. Woohoo! Done, guys. Okay, sorry that took a long time. Kind of took a long time. Let's do this. So, wait, I can see something orange. Wait, what's that? I'm gonna open it. Oh, it's a troll, guys. Who? It's a troll. It's DJ Suki. DJ. Oh my goodness, right here is so You're so messy. Oh no. Okay, we'll put her in there. There's something else, I think. Let's take a look. Pink stuff. Ooh, it's Poppy! It's another troll. Oh, get the out of her eye. Oh, her hair is a mistake. Okay. Man, we kind of lose over our toes. Anyways, let's zoom out. I think I was watching TV. Anyways, let's continue. Okay, let's continue the other part. Okay, it's just no peeking. Oopsie, wait. Almost done. Okay, I like a lot of things. I think I hide like 4 things, but anyways. Let's see, what's that here? Something. I thought there was something. Ooh, it's like a little JoJo. See what shoe? It's a boomerang shoe this time. Okay. That seems to be nice. What do we have next on the list? Oh, is that something? What is that? Get out, get out. Oh, it's a ring. What else do we have? Is there something over here? Oh, I think there's something. What is this? It's like a Sharpie thingy. I don't know. What is it? Look at that. Those are winners. Okay. This is so heavy. Okay, that's it. The camera was like so heavyweight. Like, wait a second. There we go. The camera was super duper heavy. Okay, I think those are our toys, but I'm gonna show you the toys I haven't showed. I haven't showed you. I haven't showed you. I think I showed you this, but I also haven't shown you this Peppa Pig thing. It's very cool. So yeah, he's very cute. I like it. So now we're gonna make molds at the very end, and also we can make a scrap thing. Scrap the little scrap. We don't want to do that. There's a lot of activities in here. We also make some food or mold activities. So I'm very excited to do this. Let's get our tools. I don't know what it is for. I think like how to scuff the stuff out of there. I think. Yeah, I think so. Let's get first. First, my most favorite mode of all was this. The tower. I'm gonna do a starfish. Get some sand. Put it in the starfish. Da, da, da. Let's do this. Oh yeah. My mom is watching TV. They could take anything. Aww. It's so cute. Okay, now we need to make a space for the ground. Oh, it didn't come out really good. There's still more in it. But look how it came out. Look at it. It looks like a official starfish. Oh, it doesn't really look good, but if I zoom it, it looks like a star. It's a star, see? So cool. Yeah. Look at the star nugget. 3, 2. So yep, let's break that off. I just break it. Let me do another one. Let's do another one. I'm gonna put the space first. Another space actually. Make us a thing. Next, I think we can solve it. Oh, look. Look, my starfish went. Look what happened to it, guys. Look. It fell out and it turned over here. But I want to break it, so I'm gonna save it actually. Oh yeah, I'm gonna save it actually. Yeah. I'm gonna move it over there so I can show my mom at the end. My little starfish. Oh, I could have broken it. Don't break like that. Okay. I made a starfish. I'm gonna put all the moldings over here to show you. I'm gonna make some space. Okay, next molding is the really hard one. The crab. So here we go, do the crab. Let's put some stuff in here. Some of this. wait. Aw, don't fall down. Wait. Come in. Don't be oh, come on. This is not working. Stay inside the hole. That's why it's super duper hard. Go in. What are you waiting for? Oh my goodness. Don't fall down. I need that. Stay in. I hate this. Okay. I think I'm almost done with this one. It's so hard. I wish they made like a unicorn mobile. That would be kind of hard to put in the sand. I mean, which way would it be sticking? Okay, let's do this. 302. Yes, oh yes, so one arm kind of broke, see? But it's okay. It kind of turned out looking good, right? Oh yeah, it turned out looking good. Ooh, crab. Oh, I can feel it. I can feel the crab's arms and legs and oh, the crabs and hatting stuff. So that's pretty cool. Oh, I thought I could put all the moldings actually in here. But actually, I could try to take it out. Can I? I think that's why they use this way. Let me. I'm gonna carry it very carefully. Oh damn! Shoot! Oh, it's breaking! Don't break! Aww. Okay, it doesn't really look like the starfish. It just looks like a bomb head. Okay, it looks like a bomb head actually, but it's okay. It's gonna be nice. And after all. Next molding. Okay, actually the last molding is a tower, which is kind of easy. This is totally easy. Get it? Easy. Oh yeah, oh, easy. Oh yeah. Ooh, easy. Easy. In my pizza boot spa. Well, okay, I just made up a song. I don't know why I like to make up songs. Okay. Come on, little sand, go in my hand. Sand, ram, because they're like a bam. Anyways, who doesn't know what a bam is? Probably say that. Oh damn, I need more sand. Oh, don't fall down. You know, you're practically old for that. I'm not talking to you. Okay, I need to make a sand thing. Okay. Place for it. It's a big one. Hey, it didn't even make. How come this happened? What? Why is it not working? Oh, it worked. It just worked. It just fell down. Oh my god. It's melting. It's melting in my hand. Okay. It just fell down more broken. It's all broken. Okay, I need to start all over again. I don't know why. Maybe there's not like enough sand or like what? I put 20 million chemicals in here. I'm gonna get a lot of sand, smush it through here. I think I kind of know why. Full of it. No, this better work. Also, I'm gonna turn everything into the world. Back to spaceship. It's not working. It's like stuck. Wait. What just happened? Okay, I'm just gonna leave it for like 20 hours. Look at this. It's blummed and broken. I know how did it work last time. I do. Not no. Did I fill it up all? Look. It's all full. This is so weird. Does it work on this side? I'm gonna leave it out for like an hour. What the heck is just happening? Okay, now I'll just disassemble anything. Why is it not working? There we go. I had to leave it for a long time. Man. Aw, look at the tower. Okay, there's like teeny stairs up here. Door up here, a little door up here actually. Oh, this is like a little castle, I think. Castle has more stuff in this castle. This thing, there's a top, there's a sub, and there's little teeny people stairs. Teeny people can go stairs and I can walk on that stair. Look at this teeny little people can go up stairs. Oh shoot. Wait. Stop. Okay, sorry guys, I had to run into something. Man. Oh, yes. Okay, wait. Blank. There's like the little teeny stairs and more teeny little baby stairs. Wait, let me show you here. It's gonna be so cute. Look, you can see the little stairs over there. This is a tower roof. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So now I'm gonna cut it to half to make it official. So we're gonna do this. Very excited. Okay, we have to be really careful not to cut the castle. Just what happened like that other thing. I put it over here. Oh, no. Okay, it's falling. I hope it doesn't fall down. Just look. Okay, I'm scared, but it's like lying down. The starfish is working, but this is like lying. See? I don't know why, but it's okay. That was the last thing of our day. But we are gonna cut our old stuff. So first we're gonna cut this thing. Gonna cut it. We're gonna cut it into pieces and have one piece to eat. Not really. There's this one piece. And we're gonna break it. Yeah. That piece is broken. Next piece. Now just like a little sluggy, sandy thing. As you think. Boop, boop, boop. Wait, I need to do it in front of you. That's silly. You want to do a big one? Oh shoot, I have low battery. Oh, this is a lot to carry. Kinetic is not. Make it an even bigger one. Okay, that was a lot actually. Okay, let's do one more time. Okay, that's it. I don't want to get a basket of Disney. So we're gonna cut the next piece. And carefully carry the starfish. It's gonna be hard. Shh. Okay, we're gonna cut it out. And a half. Okay, first I'm gonna get these emblem size. Okay, that's enough. Wait, with that. And also the next one is gonna break. Next piece is the big octopus. I kind of already cut it off, but I'm gonna cut the head. I actually eat crabs, so this one we might eat. That was delicious. Okay, I don't really eat it, but let's eat this one. I was just kidding. Anyways, let's do one more activity doing with this. So, first we need to get a slime mixture. We're gonna do it. We can do this. We have to like push it. And then look what we made. Look at this. Wait, where is it? Where? Like a little. Wait, where are they? Oh, here they are. Little pointless imbecile. So they're very, very cute. So cute. There's also another way to do it actually. if you want to. It's gonna like make stuff for you. Oh wow, this one made a whole entire one. Look at this. Look, that's the whole entire thing. And you probably saw it too. Looks like this. I'm gonna make it everywhere. I'm gonna show you my work. That kind of looks nice. Put some. That looks nice. This looks even better. And the last one for the touch. Also, I'm going to scrabble this way. So look what I did. I went that way, and this one kind of looks good. Like, you can see it, like, you can see this one. See? There's like one over there, one over there. It would be cool if it comes to my house. You could actually see it. So, yep. You can actually see it. It looks so amazing. One dot and like two squirrels and little looks thingy, and then like a spoon. I think there's like a spoon, but like it looks weird actually. Like a weird spoon, I think, probably. I'm just touching it. So now it's, oh, break it, break the spoon. Break it. Make it back to a normal sandy thing. Wahoo. Boy. Breaking. How about we do one more thing of doing that? No, because that was fun. One more time. Okay. That might be the end of our video, but actually there's something cool over here. Wait. This thing. I wonder what it does. Okay, kind of made a fish or a shuffle. But look at this. What in the heck? Wait, where is it? Can you see the fishy? Wait. Oh, there it is. You see the fish? It's like, what is it? It's like, wow. I don't know what is it, but like, the tool looked like this. And like I had a fish, like the shuffle. It had a fish and like to collect stuff. Wow. That's pretty cool. And this is how the molding looks like over here. Let's try that. Looks just like a normal molding actually. Wait, let me do it with the other thing. Could cut a piece off. Like making food, but it's a little different. We're almost at the end. Okay, it's actually at the end already. I'm gonna cut a piece for my mom. Actually, sort of fishy. Be careful, carefully. She doesn't burn. Okay, I'm gonna carry it. I don't have to. Modelings. So let's break that. So guys, this might be the end of our video. First I didn't find out. I think this is the stuff in there. Oh, there's actually some in there. But these are old. Yeah, those are like our old one. Old stuff. As you can see, it's like water now. Okay, anyways, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and give us a big view and big thumbs up on this YouTube channel. And I'll see you in the next video.